Hi friends, how are you? Upgrade your resume professionally by learning how to replace or update a picture inside a resume template using Word. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will discover the correct and clean method to change profile images without disturbing layout, alignment or formatting in resume. So let's get started. You can go the resume page. Now I go the resume page. Here two-page resume. Now we can see here already a default picture. Now you can change the picture. Go to the format menu, select the shape fill option, choose picture fill, then go your profile. Now I select my image and click insert. Then we can see we change the picture easily. You can change again, go back again the picture and choose another image and insert it. Now we can see we change the resume profile picture on template very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.